Hi Kalpana.
Hello, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Kalpana. How are you?
I'm fine, sir. Thanks for asking.
Wonderful.
What about you?
Oh, I'm well. I'm good to have you. We are speaking for the first time, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Oh, wonderful. I know it is a repeated question. You may have answered this question many times, but if you're still comfortable to introduce yourself, why don't you do it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Um, I am Kalpana and connecting from Noida. And if I talk about my education qualification, I have done B.Ed, MA, and qualified CTET, UPTET. I have five-year experience in teaching. Along with that, I'm a tutor and I'm blessed with two children. That's all about me.
All right, wonderful, Kalpana. Good to have you. And you're already a teacher. Wonderful. So let's first get started with the assignment. By the way, I'm Madhav Anand. I'm from Delhi, and as you can see, I'm your tutor for this session. Okay, all right. So
Yeah.
it is settling outside India. Okay, these days thousands of people leave India every year.
Yes, sir.
Correct.
Yes, sir.
Now, many people have a wish to settle abroad. Many people want to settle abroad, but then they don't find it easy and they come back. Many people never want to leave India, right? Many people permanently leave. So, what are your thoughts? Have you ever felt like I should also find a settlement abroad, or maybe I should go abroad, or maybe our family should move to some foreign country?
Yes, sir. But I don't want to go to settle abroad because I love India. So here environment is good. So that's why I don't want to go. But in any case, if I ever get a chance to live there to
Hmm.
settle for my when my husband
Hmm.
get transferred or maybe in future I get chance. So I will definitely go to Canada.
Okay, okay. And why did you choose Canada particularly out of all the countries on earth?
Actually, I heard about Canada. There
Mhm.
are a lot of facility in Canada, like medical and education fields, and there are a lot of facilities. So I want to go there. In India, the medicals and the education is getting higher and higher.
Hmm. Okay, okay. So the education is what attracts you. Yes.
Yes,
Interesting. Now, it is because of your children's education that you would like to move there, correct?
yes. And medical facility are good there.
Correct. Okay. Tell me a little bit about what are the things that um, attract you to stay here. Like, if
Yeah,
you let's say someone argues with you, no, it is good to go abroad, and you want to defend your argument, no, it is good to be here,
sorry,
right? So, what is that argument you will
sorry.
have?
Sorry, sir. Actually, there was a call, so I was not able to listen you. Please, could you repeat?
Yes, yes, I will do that again. I said that if someone argues with you that it is good to go abroad, and you want to argue that no, it is good to settle here, okay, what will be your argument?
My first point will be there, like all my family members are here. So and in abroad, I can't see them there, and now I am very connecting with them. I feel
Hmm.
like that I am nothing without my family. So
Hmm.
reason is that I don't want to go there. And second thing is like me and my husband
Hmm.
live um, alone, live apart from our family members. So
Hmm.
my family members are in Aligarh or Agra, and we live
Okay.
here. So whenever we have get time, so we go and enjoy, and we join our family members. If we and this time I also feel alone in Noida.
Hmm.
So if I go in abroad, so this could be a like a dream
Hmm.
when we go meet with our family. So I don't want to go. because here is not environment like a family. Yeah, I'm living apartment, so I don't feel like this apartment um, culture.
Okay, okay, okay. Uh, if there is anything that you do not like about being here, what is that? For example, you're in Noida. Okay, take the example of Noida and think about the things that you do not like, and can give me an answer.
Sorry, sir, I can't understand.
So let's say you want to say that these are the things which are not good here,
Yeah,
and you are currently in Noida. Take the example of Noida and tell me what are the things that you do not like and you feel like this should change.
yeah. When the whenever the festival are surrounding us, so then I that time I miss my family because
Okay.
I live with. We are there are only four members in my family: me, my husband, and my two kids. So and in Noida, I feel alone when the festival at home. So and the environment of this culture of society is not good because they are busy in their life. So and I also don't want to interrupt them.
Hmm.
And and me and my children also miss the how to how to enjoy with
Hmm.
family.
Okay. Okay.
Like there no family member are with us and we are not celebrating the festival in a good manner in a ritual with cultural, so I miss that.
Hmm. Hmm.
But when I used to live my family, so I did lot of things with my mother and mother-in-law. Okay,
Hmm.
so
Hmm.
there are a lot of facility and variety to celebrate the festival, and here my children are missing that, and they are not getting um, what is the ritual, and only two member are not make them learn what is the culture.
Okay. Okay. Why don't you tell me a little bit about your culture, where you came from? Like which part of India you came from? What was it like? What are the things you miss staying here?
Uh, I am come from UP.
Okay. I am Kamni. I come from UP.
I come from UP, and UP. Not only UP festival are celebrated in every field, every city, every. But I belong to UP, so I used to live with my family before marriage.
Hmm.
There are seven members in my family.
Hmm.
Like I I have five siblings in my family. So and we live in a joint family. My aunt, uncle, and we are celebrated the festival with a huge celebration.
Hmm.
Like when we gather or when we gather, so we feel like there was a celebration like a marriage and festival. So I miss that, and my mother and my aunt make many things. Ladies was there, so and they made many things by the hand, and sell
Hmm.
and offer to all the children. So these kind of thing I am not able to do this. So I feel like my children was not
My
getting,
children
not
were.
learning.
My children were, not was.
Okay, my
My
children
children,
are not.
हाँ या तो आर नॉट या वेयर नॉट वॉज नहीं
Yes,
नहीं
yes,
होगा ठीक है
yes,
अगर अगर प्रेजेंट टेंस में तो आर लगेगा पास्ट में तो वर लगेगा वॉज नहीं लग सकता क्योंकि चिल्ड्रन प्लूरल है सिंगुलर होता तो वॉज लगता
yes. Like Raksha Bandhan is a right corner of the month. So and in if I don't go on my native place, so so if I celebrate Raksha Bandhan at my home, so it means like my daughter and son only tie rakhi on the hand,
Hmm.
and they
Okay.
eat sweet and food, and this now it is a only festival. But I
Hmm.
don't like this kind of festival when the lot of member are not there, so I feel like this is not festival.
Ah, yes, yes.
Yeah.
When the larger community is not involved, then you don't feel like it's a festival.
Yes, yes, yes.
Now, imagine that you have an opportunity to teach your children what you were taught in your childhood. What would you teach?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I have opportunity, and I
What are
feel
the
like,
things you will teach? What are the things you will teach your children if you get an opportunity to teach your children things which you were exposed to in your childhood?
like whenever somebody come to the home, always greeting to them, and
Hmm.
offer to water and snacks, and sit with them, because they don't feel bad, they don't feel alone,
Hmm.
memories not there, and feel them comfortable. These kind of thing I make them learn. And whenever the guests are there, so don't be speak loud, don't be loud, and don't be in mannered tone, like
Okay.
this.
Hmm.
And listen to every elders, love to small
Hmm.
kids. These kind of thing I always make them I always teach them.
Okay. All right.
But sometimes I feel I miss something, because I am teaching, but they are getting not a good environment, like phone. Mama, what are you saying? I saw in mobile.
Hmm.
This
Hmm.
time,
Okay. Okay. And how do you answer those arguments when when the child will argue because I have seen in mobile this and that? What is your response usually?
first of all, I listen carefully what he is trying to tell.
Hmm.
Then I think how to understand them.
Mm-hmm.
And I, then I will give the example, then I will relate them with my childhood. These kind of things I will do.
Okay. Okay. All right. Um, there are so many different types of things which are getting better, and there are so many different types of things which we all need to do to teach our children the importance of our culture, or why our culture is important. So what are those things which you believe are extremely essential that every child should learn who is
First of
staying
all,
away from the community?
yes. First of all, I teach my children, pray to God.
Pray
God
to
is
God.
everywhere, and believe on God.
Mm.
First of all,
Okay. Mm.
yeah. Every morning you get up early, get ready to puja and pray to God.
Mm.
Then you eat anything,
Mm-hmm.
and don't argue to elders, and
Mm.
listen to them carefully. If you want to say something, first listen them, then you tell your thought. And
Mm.
it not mean that you don't open your thought, don't express yourself. You express yourself, but first of all listen them what they want to say, then you say.
All right. Good, 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 Kalpana. I think you are speaking well. The only problem you're currently facing is grammatical mistakes, mainly. Yeah. Your expressions are okay, your answers are fine, but your grammatical mistakes are a little bit frequent. So you need to work more on that.
Okay,
So try to solve grammar exercises. Don't study grammar, solve grammar exercises. That will help you. Okay.
okay, okay, sir.
Yeah. Any questions?
Yeah, sir. Actually, I have been learning this language, to be honest, 1.5 year. But
Okay.
not with consistency. And recently, means for 3 2 months, I have been doing this with consistency. But
Mm.
I feel like that I'm not doing good. I'm not content with this my language, with my learning. So what kind of things that I I do
Mm-hmm. Okay.
to be better in an English?
See, everything will get better in the right practice. Like I said, the main problem that you're facing is more about the grammar section. So you have to put a little more effort in the grammar area. 15 minutes, 20 minutes per day, not much more than, not more than that. 15, 20 minutes. What do? You take up preposition practice. You take up tense practice today. For 7 days, you do tense practice. Next 7 days, you do preposition practice. Next 7 days, you do something else. Yes. So this is what you need to do. Okay. Put emphasis on the areas which are difficult for you. That's what I'm saying. Right? And of
Sir,
course, continuity and all that is important. Yeah.
sir, I have knowledge, fully knowledge in grammar, but it
Hmm.
comes to speak out. So when I forward while speaking, so
Yeah.
and what
So
kind of things like
knowledge of grammar is not the same as practice of grammar. Having knowledge is one thing, but practicing that is important. When you practice, it becomes a part of your thinking process. We have to put it in our thinking. That's when it will get easier.
so
Okay.
I practice by speaking out on preposition on tenses, only speaking, yeah, or written practice.
Okay. So of course, once you do writing practice also, you'll start using them. Let's say if your next 7 days, if you're practicing preposition, it will 100% have some effect on your speaking also.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, because it is about remembering the right rule. Right, that's
Yes,
what I'm saying.
yes,
All right, Kalpana. Hope to see you soon again. Thank you. It was so good to have you today.
yes, yes.